In this video, let's talk about how do Maserati wheel spacers work. Maserati wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket part. The high-quality wheel spacers can help the Maserati with more modifications and upgrades, including brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adapters, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Maserati wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheels to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the Maserati. The lines of the Maserati will be fuller, giving the vehicle an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Using Maserati wheel spacers allows you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame, wheel hub assembly, or other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. We usually install 1-inch wheel spacers on the front wheel of the Maserati, and the overall result is perfect and full. This is also the choice of many Maserati owners who buy the BONOSS Forge FT cooling wheel spacers. For anyone seriously considering the performance potential of their cars, heat dissipation is something that should not be overlooked. BONOSS Forge FT cooling wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. When rotating, these grooves allow the air to flow between the spacers and brake rotors. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. All BONOSS Maserati wheel spacers are forged. In addition, high-precision Maserati wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability, and ensure a smooth installing experience. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.